Ever wondered how to create videos using text-to-video platforms? It's a breeze, really. Picture this. You have a brilliant idea for a video, but lack the technical skills to bring it to life. Enter text-to-video platforms, a revolutionary tool that transforms your written content into engaging videos. Today we're exploring how to utilize these platforms using Lucas AI Video Maker as an example. The first step is signing up for an account. Navigate to the Lucas AI Video Maker website and click on the Sign Up button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Fill in the required details, usually your name, email, and a secure password. Once done, hit Submit and voila, step 1 is complete. Now, it's time to create your first project. On your dashboard, there's usually a Create New Project button. Click it. You'll be prompted to enter a title for your project. Choose a name that represents the video you intend to create. Next, you're going to input your script. This is where the magic happens. On the project page, you'll see a section labeled Enter Text. Here, you'll input the narrative for your video. Remember, this is the script that Lucas AI will transform into visuals, so make it count. After entering your script, you'll select a voice for your video. Most platforms offer a variety of voices, accents, and languages. Choose one that suits your content's tone and style. Lucas AI, for instance, offers everything from a calm British female voice to an energetic American male voice. Now this is where the fun begins. Once you've selected your voice, it's time to choose your visuals. Some platforms, like Lucas AI, use artificial intelligence to suggest visuals based on your script. However, you can always customize these visuals to better suit your vision. The final step is rendering your video. Once you're satisfied with your visuals, voice, and script, click on the Render Video button, usually located at the top or bottom of the page. Depending on the length of your video, rendering could take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours. So, to recap, sign up for an account, create a new project, input your script, choose a voice, select your visuals, and render your video. With these steps, you can transform your written ideas into engaging videos. No technical skills required. In the digital age, content creation is no longer limited to those with high-tech equipment or advanced editing skills. Text-to-video platforms have democratized the process, making it accessible to everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in, get creative, and start transforming your text into captivating videos today.